everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam, and once again guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you chicken vegetable clear soup. So I'm talking about chicken vegetable clear soup. It's invented in Greece, the capital of Greece, Athens. So inside the chicken vegetable clear soup, there is no any thickness agent, but we knows that chicken clear soup it's invented in China, right? So there is a chicken clear soup, so there is a thickening agent same like corn starch, but inside but the different one, chicken vegetable clear soup, there is no any thickness, it's very smooth, very thin. So let's start, and I want to show you how to make this one. So let's start. Guys, here is only chicken stock on the pan I already put, and some vegetable like green zucchini, yellow zucchini, cubes of carrot and celery, and some cubes of chicken. So it's a chicken stock, and we will put black pepper, white pepper, and salt. It's not a rocket science, guys. It's very simple. you know the chicken clear soup, it's a very simple recipe to make this one. But make sure, if you are putting salt, it will be according to the taste, and pepper as well as, right? So you can see now this thing has been done, so it's time to pick up this one, guys. It's a a la carte order. Guest already ordered this thing, so I'm just pouring this one in a soup bowl. So you can see in the video, I'm just pouring these things, and on the top I will put this vegetable which is remaining inside the pan. So you can see, guys, it's almost done. So it's time to pick up this one. So look at that, this is our chicken clear soup, guys.